Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on PS5 Online Easy Guide. Create or link your Riot account to your PSN profile, then enable crossplay and controller support in settings. Next, download the latest updates and check your connection stability. After that, adjust sensitivity and key bindings for controller comfort and test in a practice range. Finally, queue with appropriate regions and enjoy your first rounds with friends or solo. Controller play on PS5 needs a few tweaks to feel natural and consistent. Lower horizontal sensitivity slightly, then fine-tune vertical aim to keep tracking steady. Remap abilities to buttons you can reach without losing aim, and use audio and haptic feedback to time grenades and flashes. Spend time in the practice range learning spray patterns and movement combos, and warm up briefly before each session to stay sharp. Good network setup makes the biggest difference for online play. Prefer wired Ethernet over Wi-Fi and test ping to regional servers to pick the best match location. Invite friends using crossplay invites, and make sure everyone uses compatible regions to avoid mismatched latency. If you hit NAT errors, enable UPnP or forward-specific ports on your router. These steps cut down on disconnects and keep your matches smooth and playable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.